This week is going to be busy for Xiaomi. On November 5, Xiaomi will launch the most awaited and talked about Mi CC9 Pro. The Mi CC9 Pro will launch in Beijing, China. A day later, the company will launch the Mi Note 10. Rumors earlier suggested that the Mi Note 10 will launch November 11, but that's not happening. Xiaomi has confirmed that the Mi Note 10 will launch on November 6 in Madrid, Spain. As the rumors and leaks suggested, the Mi Note 10 is the global version of the Mi CC9 Pro, but now there are no person whether the Mi Note 10 will head to India or not. As the Mi Note 10 is the global version of the Mi CC9 Pro, the specs of the Note 10 will similar to the CC series phone. The Mi Note 10 will come with a 108MP camera in total. The smartphone is expected to come with 5 cameras on the back panel. On the front, the Mi Note 10 will sport only one camera for clicking selfies. Rumors and leaks says that the Mi CC9 aka the Mi Note 10 globally will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730Z processor. This is for the first time Xiaomi is using this chipset on its phone. Previously, we have seen the Redmi K20 come with Snapdragon 730. Although the Snapdragon 730 is powerful processor and capable of handling day-to-day tasks very well without any sort of lag or stutter. The Snapdragon 730Z is also expected to deliver a powerful performance. The Mi Note 10 aka CC9 Pro will include 5 cameras on the rear panel. This smartphone is said to come with 108MP primary shutter, 12MP portrait lens, 50MP 50x digital zoom, 10x optical zoom, super macro mode, and other camera features. On the front, the Mi CC9 is said to come with a 32MP selfie shutter. The phone will come with a dot drop notch screen. The smartphone will include an in-display fingerprint sensor. Ahead of the launch, Xiaomi has confirmed several details about the Mi CC9 Pro aka Mi Note 10. The smartphone is said to come with a 5260 mAh battery with 30 watts per charging support. We will include as USB Type-C support on the software phone. The Mi CC9 Pro will run MIUI 10 based on Android 9 Pie. It is expected that the phone will get upgrades to MIUI 11 and Android 10 after the launch. Xiaomi has also confirmed that the smartphone will come in 3 colors: white, green, and black.